Hello there, welcome back to our channel. This is Enuani Cultural Forum. But in case this is your first time of coming across our videos, I urge you to please subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that when we put out our videos, you'll be among the first set of people to see it. Now, today we are going to be looking at the history of the capitals of Nigeria. Do you know that at one time, an Igbo community was the de facto capital of Nigeria? Do you know that? Do you know that when the Royal Niger Company first came to Nigeria, the administrative headquarters was set up in Asaba? Do you know that at some point, an Igbo community was the headquarters of the Royal Niger Company, the company that set the pace to the foundation of the place you now call Nigeria, because it was the Royal Niger Company of the British that first established its base somewhere around the banks of the River Niger, where Scottish explorer Mungo Park built a magnificent edifice as at then. It is still a magnificent edifice, although today it is a historic site. Mungo Park still has his building somewhere in the heart of Asaba. So then, before 1914 of the amalgamation, Asaba could be considered as the headquarters of the Royal Niger Company that would later become what you call Nigeria today, because it is the British explorers that later amalgamated the northern and southern protectorate to become what you call Nigeria in 1914. So it is safe to say that an Igbo community was the first headquarters of Royal Niger Company and the first capital of Nigeria. You can fact check this. Thank you for joining Enuani Cultural Forum. We are going to take time to do a video to document the history of the capitals of Nigeria. But today, let us take you around the Mungo Park house in Asaba. Watch the video. You can see the building is still looking very strong because it has undergone some sort of renovations. Yes, this is Asaba. This building is located where you call the old GRA, but it is called the National Museum of Asaba. Yes, we have recent places like the Leisure Park, the Mary and Babangida Leisure Park, and we have museums there, but this is the recognized old museum of Asaba. It's still looking very beautiful. This is where British, Scottish-born explorer Mungo Park, who died at the age of 35, lived. Remember, he died in Bosu, a northern community, but that's not what we are looking at today. Okay, now welcome back. I hope you enjoyed seeing that. In case you have the time, why not take a transport to Asaba, take a tour visit to Asaba, and check out this historic site in one of the ancient Igbo communities located in western Igbo communities of Delta State called Enuani and present-day Anyoma, which is seeking to become a state carved out of Delta State.
Nigeria is not complete.
Yeah, because it was through Mungo Park discovering the River Niger that, we got the name Nigeria.
Brought about the amalgamation in amalgamation of Nigeria actually brought this structure, yes,
Wow.
because colonialism, like we know, it's all about civilization.
Yeah.
Before the advent or before civilization, we had our own culture. But prior to that, we have this now because of what we are seeing now, because of this civilization. The white people that came into the continent, this African continent. Mungo Park actually didn't get to Asaba, but he had other explorers, people that worked with him.
Okay.
They furthered his exploration ideas and they got to Asaba. People like Richard Lander and John Lander.
Wow.
They all concluded his mission. This building his son, is a story of his own. Is an exhibition right now.
Wow.
Yeah, that it is in Asaba. Like I said, without this building, the story of Nigeria is not complete. What I mean is that this is the first colonial office, administrative office in Nigeria.
Wow.
There is similar structure in other parts of Nigeria, like in Lokoja, where they have the military base. Then, before the amalgamation, it was now protectorate. You have the Southern Protectorate and the Northern Protectorate that was amalgamated together and was called Nigeria. Now, this structure you see, like I said, is a prefabricated structure. Everything you see here, it's the way it was from the initial stage. From day one, from that 1886.
Wow. The wood structure, wow.
Or go around the structure, you see for yourself.
Guys, the building is really like, it's giving me this ancient kind of vibe. Like, you know, when you see, man, I don't think these kind of woods are still in existence. So like
yes, we still have them because our AT&P here in Nigeria, they are still trying.
Wow.
You know? Yeah, I think that was
like if they can do something like this as a hotel kind of thing, like the inside, everything will just go with the vibe. Yeah, wooden. You know, that kind of, it will be very nice. Like it won't get old or outdated.
Exactly. Yes.
Yeah.
Well, even most people now are even doing similar things.
Yeah.
They use wood and block work.
Yes.
A little of block work, a little of wood work. And you see the wood, polished wood.
Yeah.
So that is what we are trying to encourage it.
Yeah.
So that people should think about it. Sometimes you see that our building materials are really getting expensive. But by the time we can source for good wood, which we have here, good wood.
Yeah.
Wood like mahogany woods, we still have them in our bushes. We can get them, source for them, use it, and we get something similar.
Yeah.
Nice work at the end of the day. You know, our problem is maintenance. We don't have maintenance culture in this country.
Yeah.
We allow certain things to go.
Just go. And it's like, we don't value history.
We're not bothered.
Yeah.
But if we're bothered about it before now, this building would have been better than this.
Yeah.
But thank God for those few Nigerians that thought it wise for this project, it's a project itself.
Yeah.
It's not to go into extension. For posterity, our children will come and see.
Yes.
So that's why without this building, the story of this building, Nigeria is not complete. And Asaba itself. So that's why tourism is an interesting thing. It makes you to know certain things that you don't know.
You don't know.
Yeah. It opens your mindset.
Your eyes, yeah.
Your idea. You start thinking positively. There are places you go because like there are other museums. Museums is the place where you're supposed to go to and you relax.
Yeah.
You feel nature. You feel nature itself, you know? So basically, I am happy that you're doing this. You're not just doing it for yourself, you're also doing it for others so that people will.
I hope you enjoyed our historic tour today. Kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that when we put out our videos next time, you'll be among the first set of people to see it. Please enjoy the other videos we have on our platform. We have also a space for you to become a member of our channel. Kindly join our membership group so that when we post videos that are for members only, you'll be among the first set of people to see. That's also an avenue for you to support our work. Thank you and do have a very wonderful day. Daalụ na ụmụ Igbo, Chukwu ya gọzie unu Igbo ndị weji eme ọnụ, Igbo bụ odogwu, Igbo bụ ọgaranya, Igbo mụ nze mụọ ọzọ. Daalụ.